Classic Makers.
Hey guys, welcome to the studio section. This is just an overview of what we offer. We do vocal recording if you're looking to make your next song, demo, or just use our studio to do any type of vocal things such as voiceovers, commercials, anything. We are the spot for you. Also, we do mixing. If you're looking to get your song radio quality, ready to hit the streets, ready to perform, are you ready to really take your music to the next level? We can get that done for you as well. And also we do mastering. It's that last process, that last step, take your music to the right level. To equal it out, make sure it gives us that nice buzz, the nice sound you need. If you're looking to get started, all you gotta do is click below, and it's real easy to do. Alright now, let's make classics.